I am Shelley Wildenstein, and I own Signs and Designs. Signs and Designs specializes in graphics. We help with branding. We are excited to help businesses start their business with their branding. Then we can help with signage, apparel, any vehicle graphics that they may need. So it's a full spectrum service for graphics and marketing. I started the business out of my home, and it grew very quickly, and I needed to move into my own space. I have a background in graphic design and website design. I've always worked in printing and had the opportunity to see the end result of what I've designed, and that's what I enjoy the most, and that's why I chose a print company. When we drive by and get excited, because we did that sign, we did that vehicle that we saw driving by. So that's really the fun part of our job. My biggest obstacle in business and growing my business was feeling like I had everything on my shoulders to make the decision myself. I reached out to One Spartanburg, and I have really had the support that I'd been looking for and almost didn't even know I needed. But once I found it, I knew that that was the missing piece to what I needed to grow my business. When I get to help other people with their businesses, when they're starting, and I can think, wow, I've come a long way since I've first started and I first had that feeling. It's really the icing on the cake when we can help another business in the area grow and see them get excited when their sign goes up, when their decal goes on their car. It feels real to them, and I still know what that feeling was like when our own sign got put on our building. And that is really the best part of my job, is to help other businesses do what we have done.